for the husband. I've been married 30 years. We have 8 children. Okay, so the boat was pretty much a time capsule. The carpet was dirty. It had like a dated striped material on the banquette, which was okay, but we just wanted a refresh. So our first order of business was to go to West Coast Canvas. Such an amazing shop, full of artisans. You can really see they're creating things with their hands. Anyhow, I wanted the leopard carpet, but it was just out of budget. So I chose something else, and I asked ChatGPT to help with the render just so I could see what it would potentially look like. And so this is my husband. He took a trip out there. They've done the carpet, which is fresh. It's a striation pattern. They've updated the banquette with a sunbrella fabric called Textile Cloud. So I ended up going with this one, which is called Textile Cloud. I kind of wish I would have went with this one. Here you can see a sample. But yeah, we chose this one. I asked my husband to record in a horizontal way, but he recorded vertically. Anyhow, you can see the carpet, you can see the banquette. I think it really looks cute. The only thing I'm a little irritated with, I do see a little dirt on the carpet floor when you first walk in. We're gonna have to address that at some point. But I think it looks really good, and this is what I was going for. Kind of like a quiet luxury, meets the 80s, 90s type of look. It looks really nice back here in the V-berth. It looks really nice back here in the second bedroom. If I would have had more money, yeah, I probably would have went with a wood floor, but there was too many little hatches. Here you can see a side-by-side view, and the last thing we need to do is replace the leather on the steering column. You see that black portion? We're going to use the same material. So when we do the steering column, we're going to use the same material, but instead of a tonal stitching, we're going to go with gold. I think gold will look really nice. It'll make it pop. So that's on the agenda for next week. And in the next video, I can give you the final update. I'm so excited, guys. I want to share a few projects that we've done. We completely transformed this bathroom with marble, full-on marble. All the walls, we have this fluted, how can I show you? We have this fluted tile, and then we have the marble all around. And then we have this fabulous bidet. So when you step up, it self-presents. You can press rear, front, stop, dry air, flush, and the water is warm. It has these little nozzles that come out and clean you up. So it was really like one of the first collabs I ever did that was like worth anything. And they gave me this bidet, and it's such a good addition, you guys. The fluted tile, the mirror, we did all that. Okay. Then I covered the old brick on this. It was brick. I covered it in joint compound, which is like a poor man's stucco, I guess. Covered the brick, did lime wash in this whole room. Then this bathroom completely did lime wash, stone, all that tile. It looks, it's kind of messy right now, but you get the vibe. This was all painted white. Found some remnant granite, which is always a good idea. Out of the pendant lights, my husband did. And I was not afraid to mix metals. As you can see, we have gold, right? Gold. And then pops of chrome, which I still love. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what we did downstairs as well, if you guys care to see. My house is a little messy because I'm in nursing school. It's hard to like keep everything clean the way I want it. But what we did, we added this arch, and then we did the mini bar right here. Has not exactly been camping outside. Did this whole mini bar. Found some remnant granite because it used to be this like laminate. Painted that, added the silver hardware, added this. This was like a trellis, so you just buy a trellis off Amazon and then you cut it. You have the perfect wine holder. Then we did glass shelves going across. Then we added, my husband cut all this quartzite out and added the gold sink. And one last thing I want to show you guys is, oh yeah, this fireplace. We also did the laundry room, I'll show you another day, but this fireplace was brick like the bottom, and I covered it again in the joint compound. The last DIY project I did was this. So basically you get the curtain ceiling track system from Amazon. You get these clips and you get floor to ceiling drapes. And then if you don't like the way it looks all bunched up at the top, you can make a cornice. And we made ours with like a 2x4. And then my husband nailed dental molding. I think it looks really, really, really cute. I'm going to show you the laundry room. It used to be like all brown laminate, and we covered it with tile. We added this upper cabinet, this lighting, and I made this little laundry station, which is really nice to fold. But I want to like step it up a notch and elevate this area by adding a sink and like a ledge, and then like stone in the back, like backsplash with the sink and the folding table to go over. So I want it to be more seamless, kind of like, you know, the Pinterest inspo. But yeah, those are the things that we've done around the house. Of course, we've added lighting here and there, but it's definitely a work in progress, and this home is my canvas, and I love working on it so much. I still have other projects like the boat. I have some land here and there, like in Santa Cruz County, as well as Fresno County up in the mountains, but it's like really fun for me. Oh, and by the way, you know, I do have a couple income properties, and it's been really rough. We've had like 3 tenants not pay us for like almost a year. It's been really rough, but I'm kind of enjoying my house right now. But when we did do the bathroom, we had to create a hole to like get in there, and this still has to be covered up. That's my dog. She's like 14 years old. She's on her last leg. All these cute things from Walmart. I'm gonna show you. Look at this. I hope he doesn't, it's upside down, but I hope he doesn't say this looks like a diaper butt, which he probably will. But look, that cute green shorts. I have the cutest green top. I think it's the same color, but it has like a little black trim. Look at this. I got it in 2 colors. Now, it's form-fitting, but it's not too form-fitting. I got the blue. I got the same, but in blue. So here's some of the items that I got for the graduation party. I got a blue pitcher, some blue cups, some little plastic non-breakable cups. Some mix, like little mix for like a little cocktail, summer cocktail. This is lavender margarita. Then I got some cocktail napkins, blue plates, some blue chargers, ducky Target toss, another lounger. This is for the cutlery, some citronella candles for any bugs, fly repellent fans, non-breakable cups, and a pickleball pool little paddle set.